Hey, what's going on guys, and as always, welcome back to another video. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be unboxing the blue Yeti Blackout Ghost Recon Breakpoint. Alright, so recently my other blue Yeti broke, so I set that thing aside and I went out and bought this. Now, when I went out, I originally intended to buy the normal version of this, which is just the blue Yeti, the silver one, for about $130. But I saw this for only $10 extra. I was able to get the same exact mic for the same price. Now I did already, I just opened it to see, so I'm sorry about that. It comes with Tom Clancy's Ghost Recon Breakpoint. Alright, so let's do it. Alright, here it is. This is the actual mic itself. Alright, set that aside. So there is nothing else in that box, as you can see. Alright, so we got a little piece of tape here that I'm gonna get off. Here we have the tape is finally off, and there we are. So right after opening the box, you are greeted with the USB cable for the microphone, so we're gonna set that aside. Alright. Next we have the Blue Yeti blah 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 paper stuff, whatever, set up. Just getting started. Alright. Set that aside also. We have the wire server, nobody cares. Discount, whatever thing. This is the actual promotional code thingy, as you can see clearly. Alright, set that aside. More papers. Alright. Alright, here we are. This is the actual microphone. Alright, here we are. This is the microphone, as you can see. So, I guess we can just take it off, right? Oh my, okay. That wasn't hard at all. Okay. Alright, here we have this beautiful big hunk microphone. Very nice. A little piece of whatever. Alright, there this bad boy is. Now I am going to be putting this in to my little stand thingy. So I just have to screw that on, as you can see. But yeah, it's got a volume adjuster. It's got a mute button, and on the back it also has two other things. It's got a gain scroll thingy. It's also got a I have no idea what any of this stuff is. This one is a little bit hard to turn, but that's alright. Who cares? And I was playing with these earlier at the store. So yeah, if you turn these, it tightens them up. And there you are. Alright, that is very cool. As you can see, that is the microphone, brand new. It is a lot heavier than I thought it'd be. But yeah, that is it. Alright, now, let's go over here. We open this up. As you can see here we have it. USB cable. I'm pretty sure this is a USB type 2A, something like that. Not too sure, but I'm sure. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you are new. Comment on what you thought of the video, what you want me to play and do next. Like the video if you liked it, and if you guys want to see more stuff like this, like always, comment. Thank you so much for watching the video, like I said, and as always, I'll see you in another video. Goodbye.